Hello my dear students, welcome to Math JEE YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve 2024 CBSE class 12 math question paper, and question paper code is 65/1/1, and this is set 1, and this is from the series PQ1RS/1. So let us first read the instructions. Okay, please check that this question paper contains 23 printed pages. So this question paper contains 23 printed pages, but I have only picked the questions which are in English language. So there are 12 pages. Okay. Then please check that this question paper contains 38 questions. So this question paper has all 38 questions, and those are in English language. Question paper code given in the right hand side of the question paper should be written on the title page of the answer book by the candidate. Please write down the serial number of the question paper answer book before attempting it. Next, quickly go through the instructions. This question paper contains 38 questions. All questions are compulsory. This question paper is divided into 5 sections A, B, C, D, E. In section A, question number 1 to 18 are multiple choice questions, MCQs, and question number 19 and 20 are assertion region based question of 1 mark each. In section B, question number 21 to 25, very short answer type VSA type questions carrying 2 marks each. And section C, 26 to 31, short answer type 3 marks each. And section D, 32 to 35, long answer type that carries 5 marks each. And section E, question number 36 to 38, are case study based questions carrying 4 marks. There is no overall choice. However, an internal choice has been provided in 2 questions in section B, 3 questions in section C, 2 questions in section D, and 2 questions in section E. Use of calculators is not allowed. So let's start from section number A. This section comprises multiple choice questions, MCQs of 1 mark each. So first question is saying a function f from r plus to r, where r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers defined by fx equal to 4x plus 3, is 1 1 but not onto. So we have to check 1 1 and ontoness. So this function is f from r plus to r, that means non-zero real number, that means from 0 to infinity. Okay, from r means whole r, from minus infinity to plus infinity. So this is a linear function and it is 1 1. So you can check that linear functions are 1 1. To check the ontoness, we have to take some y from r that has no preimage. Let us check that because x is from 0 to infinity, let us take x equal to 0. So then y equal to 3. That means if we take y equal to 2 or 1 or 0, or from 2 to infinity, 2 to minus infinity, there is no preimage. That means this is not onto function. That means A option is correct. 1 1 but not onto. So because these are all MCQ type questions, so you can calculate this in a rough page, okay, and write the answers only like this. Let us take an example. Now this is the page and you can write a margin here like this, and this is the margin, and now you can draw another line like this. This is small and this is a little bit lengthy. Okay, so what we will do, we will calculate or use as rough, and here you can write the question number and their options, and write the option that is 1 1 not onto, like this. and 2, whichever which is the option, and write the option like this. You will get the full marks. And how to get full 100 marks in mathematics, how to write the answer script, how to maintain it, and how to manage time, I will make a separate video for this. So now let us solve the questions. Okay, question number 2. If a matrix has 36 elements, the number of possible orders it can have. We know that if a matrix is of order m cross n, then it has mn elements in the matrix. So there is 36 elements. So we have to write 36 as multiplication of two numbers. That means 1 into 36, and another is 36 into 1. That means this is a row matrix and this is a column matrix, and everyone else 2 into 18, 18 into 2, like this, 3 into 6, 6 into 3, 4 into 9, 9 into 4, and 6 into 6, comma 6 into 6. Sorry, here we have written a mistake. Okay, this is not 6 into 6, 18 into 2, 2 into 18, and 3 into 12, 12 into 3. Okay, so how many possible cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 6 cross 6 and 6 cross 6. These two are same. That means this is 9 cases. So D option is correct. So you can write the answer like this. This is option, I think D and option 9. Okay, and here you can do the required works. That is 6 cross 6, 36 cross 1, 1 cross 36, and dot dot dot. Next problem. Problem number 3. Which of the following statement is true for the function this? Fx equal to x square plus 3 when x not equal to 0 and 1 when x equal to 0. Fx is continuous and differentiable for all x belongs to R. Fx is continuous for all x belongs to R. Fx is continuous and differentiable for all x belongs to R minus 0, and Fx is discontinuous at infinitely many points. So this Fx has a definition break in x equal to 0. So we have to check whether this function is continuous at x equal to 0 or not. If it is continuous, then it can be differentiable or can be non-differentiable. So we have to check whether it is continuous or not. So let us check limit x tends to 0 and fx, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 x square plus 3, and the limit is 3. And what is f of 0? F of 0 is 1. That means this is not equal to 3. That means fx is not continuous at x equal to 0. So this function has a definition break in x equal to 0 point. So that means except the point x equal to 0, in all other points this fx is continuous. So x belongs to R minus 0, fx is continuous. That means C option is correct. Okay, so because it has only one point of discontinuity, that means D is not correct. And for all x equal to x belongs to R, this is not continuous. That means this is also incorrect and this is also incorrect. Okay, then option question number 4. Let fx be a continuous functions on close AB, differentiable on open AB, then the function fx is strictly increasing in open AB if this is a direct statement from a theorem in your book. So if x is differentiable on open AB and continuous in close AB, then the function is strictly increasing if fx is greater than 0. Option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Next problem. If x plus y 2 5 xy, this matrix and this matrix are equal, then the value of this. So if these matrix are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. That means x plus y equal to 6, and obviously xy equal to. Now we have to find the value of this expression. So that is 24 common 1 by x plus 1 by y. That means 24 into x plus y by xy. That means 24 into 6 by 8. 3 6 8 3 is the 24, and 6 3 into 3 18. That means D is the correct option. Next problem. From integration from a to b, fx ds is equal to. This is a direct question from the properties of definite integrals. From integration a to b, f of a plus b minus x dx is equal to integration a to b fx dx. This is the correct option. So you can write these things like here. That means this is 3, option number whatever. Option number C 4b and 5d 6b 4c. So you can write 3c and dot 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 4 like this. Okay. Now next question. Let theta be the angle between two unit vectors a cap and b cap such that sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Then a dot b is equal to what? What is a cap? A cap and b cap. So sin theta is this, then cos theta is equal to root over plus minus obviously 1 minus 3 square by 5 square. That means plus minus 4 by 5. Okay. So a dot b is what? Mod a mod b and cos theta. That means this is 1 into 4 by 5, and this is plus minus. So the answer will be 4 by 5 and plus minus. So C is the correct option. And you can also you have to write this here. This is question number 7. Option number probably B, like this. Okay. So next problem. Okay, I am writing the wrong options, but in the examination you can write the correct options. Okay, because I am only focusing on solving the paper. Okay, now question number 8. The integrating factor of the differential equation this. Okay, so let us first write this equation in standard form. That means dy dx, dividing both sides by 1 minus x square plus x by 1 minus x square into y equal to ax. Obviously a is constant, so this is the standard form, and we know that this equation is of the form dy dx plus px into y equal to qx, and the integrating factor is e to the power p dx. That means e to the power x into 1 plus minus x squared dx, and integrating this will be e to the power ln minus 1 minus x square. So you have to integrate this, and you will get this. So that means e to the power ln 1 by 1 minus x square. This is the formula of log, and this is 1 by 1 minus x square. So C option is correct. Okay. So problem number 9. If the direction cosines of a line are root 3k, root 3k and root 3k, then the value of k is. We know that the sum of the squares of the direction cosines is equal to 1. That means root 3k whole square plus root 3k whole square plus root 3k whole square. This is equal to 1. That means 3k square plus 3k square plus 3k square, that is equal to 1. That means 9k square is equal to 1, and this is equal to k equal to plus minus 1 by 3. So the option is D correct. Next question. A10. A linear programming problem deals with optimization of a or n logarithmic function, quadratic function, linear function, and or exponential function. We know that every problem that is stated in a linear programming problem, that can be reduced to a linear function. That means we have to find the optimization of a linear function. So B option is correct. Okay. Next question. Question number 11. If P of A condition B, if P of A condition B equal to P of A complement condition B is equal, then which of the following statement is true? So let us write P of A condition B. This is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B, and also this is equal to P of A complement condition B. That means this is equal to P of A complement intersection B divided by P of B. So P of B both get cancelled. So we get P of A intersection B equal to P of A complement intersection B. So now here it should be given that A and B are independent event. Then we can write P of A into P of B. Here P of A complement into P of B. Again P of B got cancelled. So P of A equal to P of B. Sorry, P of A complement. Okay. So option A is correct. Okay. Now here you can write question number 11, option number A. P of A equal to P of A complement. Like this. Okay. You can write here all the options and the option itself, and here you can use as rough to calculate and to find the answers. Okay. Next problem number 12. Problem number 12 is this determinant is equal to, uh, observe that this into this and this into this, and in between there is minus. So if you multiply x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1, that would give x cube plus 1 cube, and multiplying these two will give x cube minus 1 cube. So that means x cube plus 1 and minus x cube plus 1. That means 2 is the answer. So option number B is correct. Then the derivative of sine x square with respect to x at x equal to root pi. So d dx of sine x square. So we will use the chain rule. So the derivative of sine x is cos x. That means cos x square into, and then derivative of x square is 2x. That means 2x cos x square. That means 2 into root pi. X is equal to root pi into cos x square means cos pi, and cos pi is 1. That means 2 into root pi into 1. That means 2 root pi is the answer. So D is the correct option, 2 root pi. Next, the order and degree of the differential equation of this. So this is the differential equation, 1 plus y dash whole square and then cube plus y double dash. So you can see that here the highest order of differentiation is 2, that means this, and its degree is 1, that means order is 2 and degree is 1. C is the correct option. Next problem 15. A vector with terminal point A and initial point B is. So terminal point is A and initial point is B, that means this is BA vector, and BA vector is equal to A vector minus B vector, that means 3 minus 2 I cap and minus 4 minus 3 minus j cap and 7 minus 5 plus 2 k cap. So A is the correct option. I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. Next problem, the distance of the point ABC from y axis. So let us check. This is the axis and this is O. So let this is x, this is y, and this is z. Okay. So this is a point ABC. This is P. That means this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So the distance from y axis of the point ABC, that means this distance. Okay, this. What is this? This is A, and what is this? This is C. So what is this? This is obviously 90-degree. That means this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is A square plus C square and root. Obviously root because equal to H. So option number C is the correct option. Root over A square plus C square. Next problem, the number of corner points of the feasible region determined by the constraints x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0, and x plus y is greater than equal to 4. So first write the, draw the lines. So x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0, that means this is y is greater than equal to 0 and this is x is greater than equal to 0. Okay, and x plus y is greater than equal to 4. That means what? When x is 0, y is 4. That means let us take this is the 4 point and x is 1, y is 3. So this is the point 1 3 and like this. So this line is like this, and greater than 4 means this is the feasible area. So the corner points is here is 1, here is 2. Okay, so that means answer is 2. The feasible region, so this is the feasible region and the corner points is this one is the one corner point. Let us draw it different color. This is one corner point and this is one corner point. Okay, there is no other corner points. Okay, so next problem 18. If A and B are two non-zero square matrices of same order such that A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square, then what is this? So A plus B whole square, this is equal to A square plus B square plus BA plus AB, and this is equal to A square plus B square, that means these two equal to 0, that means BA equal to minus AB. Okay, so which is the correct option? Let us remove this. So the correct option is AB equal to minus BA. Okay, next 19. For a matrix A equal to this where theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, date A belongs to 2 to 4. Reason cos theta belongs to this, and for all theta belongs to this. Okay, let us first compute this matrix, the determinant of this matrix. Okay, so what is 1 into 1 minus cos square theta, 1 plus cos square theta plus cos theta, sorry, minus cos theta equal into minus cos theta, and minus cos theta plus cos theta, and then plus 1 into cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so this is 0, and 1 plus cos square theta plus cos square theta minus 1, 1 1 cancel, 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. So we are getting the determinant is equal to 2 cos square theta. So the determinant is date A is equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay, date A belongs to 2 to 4. Okay, okay, date A equal to 2 cos square theta. So cos theta is belongs to minus 1 to 1. Okay, then cos square theta is belongs to 0 to 1, because cos square theta is positive. Okay, now 2 cos square theta is 2 to 0 to 2. So the assertion date A belongs to 2 to 4, this is false. And reason, this cos theta belongs to minus 1 to 1, for all theta belongs to 0 to pi, this is correct. But date A belongs to 0 to 2, so assertion is not correct. That means the option is, assertion A is false, but reason is true. Okay, so for 19, option number D will be correct. Now next, number 20. A line in space cannot be drawn perpendicular to x, y, and z axis simultaneously. Okay. For any line making an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the positive directions of x, y, and z axis respectively, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. So this is the direction cosines. Okay. And the sum of the squares of the direction cosines is 1. So this is true. And a line in space cannot be drawn perpendicular to x and y and z axis simultaneously. This is also true. Okay, because the axis itself are perpendicular, and there is no other dimension, so that we can draw a line perpendicular to those three and simultaneously. The reason is the explanation of assertion. That means R is the explanation of A, because if cos square alpha plus cos square beta and cos square gamma is equal to 1, that means the angle alpha, beta, and gamma, these three cannot be 90 degree simultaneously, because cos 90 degree is 0. So that means 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square, that will be 0 and not equal to 1. That means a line in space cannot be drawn perpendicular to x, y, and z axis simultaneously, and this is the correct explanation. So that means option number A would be correct. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. So for 20, A is the correct option. Okay.